If you think you can't grow taller after 18, this will shock you. Your bones never stop adapting. They change based on how you move, how you eat, and the stress you put on them. And yes, with the right habits, you can support 1 to 2 inches of natural height growth, even in your 20s. Let's break it down into 5 simple steps. Step 1. Support your growth plates. Your height comes from your growth plates. Most guys' growth plates close between 18 and 20, but for some people they stay open till 23, 24, even 25 because of hormones. To support this naturally, avoid too much soy. Sweat daily by running, skipping, or playing any sport. Train your legs because sprinting and skipping help boost natural testosterone. Eat protein and zinc from eggs, chicken, lentils, fish, and pumpkin seeds. These habits help keep your growth window active. Step 2. Smart. Cycling for stretching. Your body adapts to repeated movement. Cycling is one of the best movements for height support, but do it the smart way. Raise your cycle seat slightly higher. When the pedal reaches the lowest point, your legs should be almost straight. This gentle stretch, repeated hundreds of times, tells your bones to adapt over time. Do this for 15 to 20 minutes daily. Step 3. Safe. Vertical jumps. Jumping sends small, safe signals to your lower leg bones to strengthen and remodel. Here's the safe routine. 3 sets, 30 light jumps. Land softly. Don't try to jump too high. Cycling plus jumping is one of the best natural combinations for height support. Step 4. Nutrition for bone growth. Your bones won't grow without the right nutrients. Get 10 to 20 minutes of sunlight daily for vitamin D. Eat protein and calcium from milk, eggs, chicken, fish, yogurt, and lentils. Add boron from black raisins, nuts, and avocados. These simple foods support bone repair and bone strength. Step 5. Consistency and daily habits. Height growth doesn't happen in 1 week, but your bones respond to daily habits. Stay consistent with smart cycling, light jumping, good sleep, protein-rich meals, and sweating daily. Tiny improvements every day become real changes over time. Your height is not only genetic. Your bones react to movement, hormones, and nutrition. Follow these 5 steps, and you give your body a real chance to grow naturally, even in your 20s. If you want a full guide on boosting testosterone and lowering estrogen safely, comment below. And make sure to subscribe because more real value is coming soon.